Hello engineers, how are you? I'm Miss Novelina. I'm a primary science teacher from St. John's School. Today, we're going to learn more about lights. Are you ready for the experiment? Let's get started. Okay, let's get started the experiment about light. Firstly, we find out the first property of light. We're going to find out that light can pass through straight line. We will use 4 cards and we make holes in straight line. But for the last card, we don't make holes. And then we need 1 torch. After that, we will pass through or we will turn on the torch onto the first card. What will happen if I move a little bit the third card? Can you see the light on the last card? This experiment shows us that light travels in straight line, and light can pass through translucent or transparent object, but light cannot pass through an opaque object. Oh, is the camera on? I'm sure you like to use a mirror, and all of us use a mirror because we know that mirror as a reflector of light. Now we're going to learn about the second property of light. We will use a mirror, a card behind the mirror, a 20 centimeter ruler, or you can replace with 30 centimeter one, and a candle. Be careful to turn on the candle. You need an adult help and turn it on. After that, we will start the experiment about light can be reflected. Put your hands in front of the mirror, which is behind the candle. What do you see? Okay, how come it happens? A mirror is made up of a tiny glass and silver things behind. So it can bounce back light from the source of light into the mirror, and then from the mirror bounce back to our eyes. That's why we can see ourselves into the mirror. That's the second property of light. Okay, engineers, you have learned that light can be reflected, light travel in straight line. Now, are you ready to do a magic trick with me? Okay, we're going to bend light. What do we need? We just need a glass with water in it and a piece of paper. And then, draw the paper onto the paper 2 arrows in the same direction. After that, we are going to lowering down the paper slowly. Look at the arrow. Do you see the changes happen to the arrow? Did you see the magic? Did you see the arrow changing direction? How does it happen? It happens because the light passes through 2 different materials. We just need transparent objects such as the glass and water. When light travels and passes through 2 materials, the light will be bent. And this is called refraction of light. That's the third properties of light. Kids, do you like to see rainbow after the rain? The light that we can see is in white light. But why we can find 7 colors of rainbow during rainbow time? Now, we're going to learn the fourth experiment about light can be dispersed. We just need white paper, one on the base and one we make it stand, a glass prism, and a torch. And after that, adjust the prism and the torch so that we can see the rainbow on this side. Can you see the rainbow? Actually, the light is made up of many colors, but since they pass through air in the same speed, we just see them in white color. When the light passes through the glass prism, the prism will make the light speed up in different speed and make the white light break into 7 colors: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet, or we call it Roji wave or spectrum of light. That's how rainbow happen, and we call it as light can be dispersed. Okay, Sanjoners, I hope you enjoy the video and you can learn more about science and find out science can be found around us. Happy learning! Goodbye!